Good morning and welcome back to Warrior Wednesday, where we are looking at the Christian faith from the warrior perspective every single week. I'm LT Fuss, and if you're ready to join me and take your faith to the next level, hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so we can get into this spiritual battle together. If you ask any warrior, they'll tell you never go it alone. Lone Rangers only win in Hollywood, and even at that, Wyatt Earp had a fire team. So why is it that we take our Christian faith like it's some kind of solo sport? In the Bible, the book of Ecclesiastes offers us a ton of rock-solid wisdom for navigating this life, not just in the practical life, but in our faith life as well. So check this out in the Bible with me, Ecclesiastes chapter 4, verse 12. A person standing alone can be attacked and defeated, but two standing back to back can conquer. Three are even better, for a triple braided cord is not easily broken. And this is 100% the truth in a practical sense of life. But what does it mean for our spiritual life? It means you've got to take somebody into that fight with you. Your Christian brothers and sisters don't know what you're battling until you take them to the objective and show them. Simply showing up at church on Sunday morning, celebrating the resurrection, and singing some songs of victory isn't the same as physically taking them into that battle space with you. So your mission this week is to build up your fire team. I want you to be intentional about it. Think about and pray about who you're going to invite into your spiritual battle with you, and then reach out to them. Let them know that now is the time to start getting serious about our faith, and then invite them into that shared journey so that no warrior of Christ is left behind. That's it for this week, and if you haven't already, hit the like button, subscribe, and until next week, be on mission for Christ.